All right, these 11s are about to shock drop. Let's see if this information is accurate. Oh, boom, right on time, bro. It ain't even a shock drop anymore. It's just like it literally says when it's gonna drop. That's not a shock drop. That's hey, these are gonna be available. We're just letting you know. It's not a shock. There's nothing shocking about this. They're available at 12/23 in case you were wondering. Let's see if we can catch this dub. We got about 20 seconds, 10 seconds. Air Jordan 11 Gratitude. I'm only going for these on one device. Loading, loading, loading. Free shipping. We don't want free shipping. We want ASAP Rocky. You're in line, removing bots. That might always kill me when you go for like the extra, like the 2-day shipping, but it's worth it when you're doing content at least. Like you just get them ASAP. Otherwise, Nike be doing 5 to 7 day shipping and then sometimes people steal them, that get canceled. It's just a whole ordeal. So I'd rather take the chance, possibly get them in 2 days or just not get them at all. Well, I'm in line. The fact that I ain't hit already just kind of tells me it's probably an L. I do miss the days of like a real shock drop for real. I don't think anything will ever beat the Red October just randomly dropping. Those were the days like when you get on your phone and your heart would be beating, you'd be nervous the whole time just to take an L. Like I actually miss those days. It was like a video game. It's been 20 minutes. We're still pending, so I'm just gonna chop it up as an L, my boy. Sucks to suck. Bro, I'm literally sitting here trying to decide what video to shoot today. Got them things. Took almost an hour. I can't even believe it, bro. I usually always be taking L's. Let's go. Entered at 12:23 and they ended up going through at 12:52. That's pretty fire. Y'all know how the 11s releases are. They'll do a shock drop and there's gonna be tons of pairs, but it's still every year. The holidays, the hype of it. I mean, this is the closest thing we've seen to the DMP 11s in a really long time, so I know a lot of people are gonna go for these. It's just like a nostalgic classic, honestly. I wanna see, if you were to buy these now, let's say like on StockX, size 12, they got that Insta Express ship or whatever, buy for $265. I wanna do fastest shipping, $300. It ended up being $345 to get them in 2 to 3 days. So after me paying retail plus the $25 shipping and tax, it was $277. $30 difference if you wanted them right away. I don't know, man, we're in a good time right now with the market. Like, you can pretty much get every shoe or any shoe that you've wanted for a decent deal, which is all people really wanted from the get-go, right? Like, it's so funny to see everyone complain about, oh, the sneaker game is dead, it's dead, blah, blah. But it's like, bro, first you were complaining because all the resellers and how much you had to pay for shoes and it's just so hard to get. And now it's like, here, oh, you want under retail? Here you go. Oh, you want them in the outlets? Here they are. I don't understand. The last 2 years have just been this inflation of people being pissed that they can't even buy, so they gave up. And now that they're widely available, you don't want them anymore. That's proof of the psychology of supply and demand, but these should be in 2 days. Today's the 14th, should be getting them on the 16th. So I'll see you guys in the unboxing. These take me back. I forgot that they have this milky white sole. Let me turn on some lighting real quick. Oh, there we go. So here they are in all their glory. A lot of you guys been asking me questions about these. Sneakers came through, man. Like I said, if you guys don't know that little trick, which I mean, it is an extra $25. These are pretty cool, man. I like the leather quality. Now I know I just did a video talking about the Space Jam 11, but honestly, I don't really wear 11s much these days. But I can definitely see myself pulling these out, man. That DMP look is honestly just so fire, man. What? I absolutely love the way these look. We got that gold 23 on the back. This has got to be the first time that they've actually done like this white sole, right? Not clear. It is a white milky sole. I'm trying to think, was it the 7210s that had kind of like the similar look? Like this, I almost feel like this is more milky than those. Here they are. I like the box. Nice little change up. I had the actual DMP pack in like a size 11 a long time ago when I was like reselling shoes. So it's been years since I've even seen something close to these. This was a good non-retro release for Jordan Brand. I think this will be really popular. I noticed all the prices have already tanked. You can pretty much get these for retail on all the resale sites, which is awesome. I genuinely feel like this is the first year that we've ever seen, I guess, the sneaker culture kind of like plummet. I mean, I should say the resale aspect of things. I feel like anyone who wants to get these is gonna get them for retail. Some people will even probably get them below retail, around retail. That's a first. It's kind of crazy. Like, what is really going on in that aspect of the game? Are people just overpaying those crazy prices? Did the inflation bubble pop? Like, I don't, it's crazy. But that's the live cop. Let me know down below if you guys pick these up. I know I'm not gonna miss a video. Today's day number 4, but I'm gonna make sure we'll do a giveaway for these. I think they're gonna come out in December, I'm assuming. So we'll do a giveaway for these, just stay tuned for that. I'll figure out all the analytics later, just making it known in this video for sure. But there it is, man, day 4 in the books. Simple little live cop. This is your boy Sneaker Life. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Run it. Hands in the air now. You follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, all that. Thank you.